Hello everyone, you're watching Mathematically with Dr. Khalil. In this video, we will start chapter 7, linear equations and inequalities. In this, we have three sections: 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. In this video, I will take section 7.1. Linear equations. First of all, let us understand what do you mean by linear equation. Linear equation are of this type. This is a linear equation where x is the variable, a, b are any real number with the condition that a should not be 0, b can be 0. Let me write down some linear equation. The most simplest linear equation is this. It is a linear equation. 2x equal to 0, also a linear equation. Even 3x plus 1 equal to 5 is also a linear equation. So the most important in the linear equation is that two things. There must be variable, and variable are in the form of letters. Second, the power of the variable must be equal to 1. That is why it is called linear. That is, the power of the variable is always 1. It must have variable, and the power of the variable must be equal to 1. And the most important thing is that equation should have both the sides, that is left side and right side, separated by equal sign. So that is called linear equation. What we do with the linear equation, remember, we solve linear equations. What do you mean by that? Solving means finding value of variable. Variable may be any. Here the variable is x. It may be y. It may be z. Whatever. Any letter. Most of the time the variable are denoted by letters. So solving a linear equation means we are finding the value of the variable. So in this section, that is 7.1 linear equation, we are given linear equations and we are asked to solve the linear equation. So coming to the exercises, 7.1 section exercises. Let's solve question number 2. Solve -2, 11 minus 7x plus 54 equal to 0. The question is here, this is a linear equation and we have a variable x and the power of x is 1 and there is a what you call left side and the right hand side. So it is a linear equation. And remember here, For all linear equation, you will get only one answer, that is one solution. So let us solve this. First of all, remember the rule. If there are brackets in any equation or in any expression, first open that bracket. So this minus 2 will come inside using the distributive property, minus 2 as a whole. So minus 2 into 11 minus, we have minus here, and minus 2 into 7x plus 54 equal to 0. See this, sorry, minus 2 into 11, and then we have a minus 2 into 7x because of this minus this, and plus 54 this. Multiplying this, minus 22, minus into minus, plus 7 into 4, 14x plus 54 equal to 0. Then we have a like terms, number. So 14x, no change, 54 and minus. So opposite sign, they subtract 54 this, that becomes plus 32. 4 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Bigger number plus, so it carries this equal to 0. Then bringing 32 to the right side, 14x is equal to minus 32. Bringing 14 to the right side, x is equal to minus 32 by 14. So this is the solution of this equation. That is, solving means we are asked to find the value of x. Not necessarily the letter will be x, maybe any letter. Let's take another example here. Number 5. Solve 4p minus 4 minus p plus 7 equal to 5 times p minus 3. It is also a linear equation. The variable is p and the power of p is 1, and you have left side and the right hand side. So it is a linear equation in the variable p. And we are solving this. That means we are asked to find what is the value of. First, open the bracket. That means this 4 distributes, that is 4p minus 16. And we have a minus, so also it distributes to inside, so minus p minus 7. Then again we distribute this 5 to inside, that means 5p minus 15. See that we have a 3 brackets. So we first open the bracket always, and the sign before the bracket will decide whatever the signs of inside terms. Now looking into what you call the like terms, 4p minus p, it is going to be 3p, and then 16 and minus 17, that is it is going to be 23. So because we have a both minus, that means plus, then we have 5p minus 50. Bringing the p's one side and the number other side, so 3p minus 5p, then we have a minus 15, and this becomes plus 23. You see, 5p comes on the left, minus, this goes to the right, it is plus. Then subtracting these two, it is minus 2p plus 15 means it is, equal to 8, because the bigger number. So we need P. So we cross multiply 8 by minus 2. Because minus 2 I am cross multiplying. So this gives me, it is minus 4 is the answer for this. This is how we solve the linear equations. What we do if we have more than one bracket? You see, we have only one brackets here. If we have more than one bracket, what we have to do? For that, let me take number 6. 4 this. It is also a linear equation, and here the variable is C and the power of C is 1. So it is a linear equation in C. We have left side and the right side. Now you see that we have two brackets here, this and the parenthesis. So what we do here is, whenever you have more than one grouping, that is, these are the grouping symbol. Please remember, these are called braces. This is called parenthesis, and these are called brackets. So only three grouping symbols we have in mathematics, and sometimes the grouping symbol is combined like this. You see, you have a bracket, inside you have a parenthesis. So when we have this, so what we do here is that what we do first, you open the inside what you call bracket. That means you open this bracket first, then outside. So you always simplify from inner to outer. So in that case, I will not disturb this. So ultimately, I'll be finding what is C equal to. So I will not disturb this. Then 5, this minus 8, right? So that I am going to take inside by distributive law. Minus 8 into 4, minus 32C, minus 8 into minus plus 24. The first bracket gone, this bracket gone, I mean parenthesis gone. Now again I open this by again distributive law. 12 minus 12 into 13C minus 8. I just took 12 inside. Now these two numbers I can combine. So 4, then 5 this, that is 29 minus 32C. Then we have 12 minus 8, that is 4 minus 12 into 13C. Now I open this bracket, that is 29 into 4 minus 4 into 32C is equal to 4 minus 12 into 13C. Bring C's on left side, the numbers on the right side. We have 12 into 13C minus 4 into 32C. See, this minus, I bring it left, it becomes plus, and then minus 4 into 32C, I am putting as it is. What we have on the right, we have 4, and 29 into 4, I will bring on the right side, it becomes this. Then multiply this, and then subtract, and this you subtract, multiply, and then cross multiply, you get the answer. So this is how we solve. That means whenever you have a two grouping symbol, you have to start from innermost and then do the outermost. Coming to the next set of questions, that is 7, 8 and 9. Let me take question number 8. Solve 3 by 4x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4. Again, it is also a linear equation and the variable is x. The power of x is 1. So let us solve this. The first thing I will do here is that bring this number on the right side. 3 by 4x equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. As a whole, I am bringing to the right. So it is plus 1 by 2. So looking into this, so we have a different, we cross multiply 2 into 1, 2, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, it is 8. That is 6 by 8. Then what you have here? 3 by 4x equal to 6 by 8. But I am finding the value of x here. So x is equal to 6 by 8, no change. This will change. That is cross multiply 4 by 3. So it is done. So cancelling here 3, 2 times, 2 times. Then we have a 2 cancels. It is 1. So the answer is here 1. So this is how we solve a fractional, what you call the numbers. I mean the quotients of the variable are fraction. This is how we solve it. Similarly, you can do question number 7 also. Let me do one more question. Question number 9. Solve 3x plus 4 by 2 plus 1 equal to 5x plus 10 by 8. Let us do this. The first thing here is, this is, you have a plus, this is independent here. First I will do that. So 3x plus 4 plus 2 divided by 2. So how it is? See, a by b plus c. A by b plus c. It is a plus bc by b. We multiply b into c divided by b. 2 into 1, 2 divided by 2. Writing the right side as it is, no change. Then we have 3x plus 6 by 2, 5x plus 10 by 8. We have fraction and fraction. Cross multiply. 8, 3x plus 6, 2, 5x plus 10. Then open the bracket. It is 24x. It is 48 equal to 10x plus 20. Bringing 8 in, 2 in. Bringing all x on the left side, it is 24x minus 10x equal to 20 minus 48. See which are coming to the left, which are going to the right side. So 24 this is 14x and this is 28. But I want x, so cross multiply 28 by 14, that is 2 is the answer. This is how we solve, the linear equation. Coming to the last set of questions here, that is, in the following exercises, solve the formula for the specific variable. I will just take an example here. Just see number 11. Minus 4x plus y equal to minus 6. The question is here, solve this for y. So what is the meaning of this? That means you are asked to find the value of y, maybe in terms of x or in terms of number. But ultimately, I need to find the value of y. So means y should be on the left. Bring all the things on the right side. And note that we have here two variables. So you focus on this. That means we need to find the value of y. Other than y, bring everything on the right side. So what is y? Y equal to minus 6 plus 4x. Answer. Now the same question, if I ask you, okay, solve for x. Now we are asked to find the value of x, maybe in terms of number or y. So that means keep this on the left, bring y on the right side. That is minus 4x is equal to minus 6 minus y, because y I am bringing for the right side minus y. But I want the value of x, that is minus 6 minus y divided by minus 4. I can cancel minus here. So I can just write here 6 plus y by 4. You see minus here, here, here. All the three it cancels. So you have 6 plus y divided by 4. So this is solving equation for y. This is the answer. Solving the equation for x. This is the answer. So exactly in the similar way, we can do question number 10 and 12. So that's the end of chapter 7, section 7.1. Thank you.